right? Things like apophenia, pareidolia.
When a person embodies music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So
let's talk about the physics of sound. Sound travels at 700 miles per hour.
you have to study physics. The collision of organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that of propositions that illustrate the
different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists. I didn't have, right, I mean,